Hi guys, this is your DIY mechanic and I'm here today with another video, to make maintaining your car very easy for you. So this is a Toyota, a Toyota Lexus RX300, 300, and it came in with a misfire issue. The owner complained of a misfire, the car not moving well. So I did a scan on it, and when the results came out, it was multiple random misfire on cylinder 1 and on cylinder 2. And that could be very tricky, to resolve, to actually get the problem so that one does not waste money. It could be a little bit tricky, from my own experience, on working on cars, when it comes with that multiple random misfire, I could tell you that most 80% of the time the problem is the pump, and for this RX300 Toyota, the pump is located, I will show you guys here. It is at the back here. So I removed the seats. Those are the back seats. I removed the 2 back seats. There's the pump. Here's where it is, and this is, the pump. The tank is actually, it has 2 chambers. It has 2 gauges. So this is actually this is where the pump is. This here is one of the gauges. The other one is for the pump. So this is the pump. I've used it already. I'm going to bring everything out and I'll change it, and we'll be back to test it. Okay. Alright guys, still on the Toyota RX300. So I replaced the tank and I replaced the pump and the filter, fixed it back and all that. Those are the seats, so I'll put those back. So the car is fine now. It's alright. It's firing well. Can you hear? I want you to hear the sound. So that's the sound. It's no more. It's firing as it were before. So this helps someone out there. Please like, please subscribe, so I could do more videos and upload it. Thank you very much.